Oh, doubles. Yeah. Yeah, that's a better one. I mean, barely. Took him around the eye. All right. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JP. I'm back again. Back on the CA Delta. Got my boy Eric with me. No better way to do it than taking in the sunrise here on the CA Delta. Gonna try to get in some striper. Like always, wish us luck. Oh, missed it. That was a little guy. Yeah, he just like came up and just missed it. But he looked like the size of my bait, basically. Not even worth like going on a second cast.
Come on, Robbie.
Oh, Robbie.
Where's Robbie at?
Yeah, I got Robbie in the tackle box. He was killing him that one day.
Robbie's been retired for like
Yeah.
7 years.
I put him on the bench after he lost all those stripers. So that's it, Robbie. You're on the bench. He let me down. Yeah. Could have went through the main channel. You were already on that side of the Tules. Wow. Thanks, guys.
What's your biggest bass?
9 pounds.
9 pounder?
Yeah.
Where at?
South Delta. Out by Manteca.
Oh.
Top water too. I was on a frog. 2 feet of water, dude.
Fucking 9 pounds.
Dude. I crapped my pants. I think. And the same thing like you were saying with the striper.
Yeah.
Dude just slurped the frog. All of a sudden my frog was just disappeared.
Damn.
And the thing fought. Felt like it fought for like 10 minutes, but it's probably only a couple minutes. Yeah, I think it was a monster. The frog looked so small in its mouth.
Yeah.
Found him. Yep. Oh, that was a little guy. Yeah, that was a little one. He's smacking right there. Oh, we found him. Yeah, a bunch of little guys. Little guy. Heck of a little. Oh, doubles.
No?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a better one. I mean, barely. Took him around the eye. All right. We found him for like 10 minutes, bro. And then, there you go. That was crazy. This is Robbie's replacement.
Big brother?
Yeah, this is Big Brother Petey. Robbie, you're benched. Hey, that thing looks sick though. You a net? Oh yeah. Eric's hooked up on the Stinko. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice little bass. There you go. Oh, that was a bite. That was a bite for sure.
Want a bite?
Yeah. It's just little guys, dude. They come up and they hit it, then they're gone. You know what I mean? Got one. Oh,
Oh.
dude, what the heck was that? It's like my drag wasn't picking it.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Dang it. There's a bite.
Huh?
There's a bite. We're by that piling right there. Freaking drag was too loose, bro.
Here we are, home sweet home.
Nice. Nice landing. Nice landing, JetBlue Holiday. Got my wife Vanessa with me. We are at Hogan. Hit the Delta yesterday with Eric, and it was kind of crickets. Caught a couple little striper early, and then just really struggled. Got off the water pretty quickly, so heard the striper doing pretty good here at Hogan. Took a little afternoon trip. Epic sighting on the way in. Vanessa spotted a bobcat, first one I've ever seen in the wild. Pretty sweet to watch that little guy kind of just roam around in the shadows. So pretty sweet little sighting. Cricks. Got the kids with me. Hey, this is day 3 of me fishing on my fall break. Day 1 was Eric and I on the Delta. Day 2 was me and Vanessa going out to Hogan. And now day 3, here we are at Lake Camanche. Got a couple hours, so we're gonna see what we can do, throw the kitchen sink at them, and hopefully put the kids on a fish. Real. Oh yeah, you got one. Yeah, lift it up, lift it up. Don't let it get in there. Nice. All right, come on, bring it over here. Oh, that's a nice one. Heck yeah. All right, nice little bluegill on the night crawlers. We finally found him. Ready to throw him back? Go ahead and give him a send. There you go. Got him? Yeah. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Nice. A little bait stealer. Finally got Clea on the board. Took about 1,000 worms of ours. All right. Ready to send it back? All right, chuck him. What the heck? I caught a pair of goggles. Well, spot number 4 on our fall break fishing adventures. Back here on the C8 Delta, down the Port of Stockton. Only got limited amount of time, so we're just gonna, you know, do the best we can in a couple minutes and see what we can do. All right, last cast. Oh yeah, I set that one. Noise is probably pretty bad right here because I'm right next to the freeway, so apologize for that. Had my back turned and fish like blew up right here. Couldn't tell you what it was, but definitely had some action. Well, if you made it this far in the video, first thing I want to say is thank you. Appreciate you guys sticking around throughout the whole video. Definitely helps the view time. Epic fall break. Not too many times I get to fish that many times in 1 week, so that was definitely enjoyable. Even though there wasn't the most amount of catches, still had fun. put the kids on a fish, caught a striper with Eric, spent some time with Vanessa. So definitely a good use of my fall break for sure. But as always, appreciate you guys watching and catch you on the flip side.